welcome to Well Crochet. My name is Mary and today I am doing the giveaway details. Yay! You all need to know quite a few things for the giveaway. Yay! This is the full details of what is happening for our giveaway. Yay! Our 4,000 subscriber giveaway. Firstly, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I never would have grown the channel as well as I have grown it. What can I say? I'm very overwhelmed about the actual amount of subscribers. I didn't think I would get this far, let alone get past 500 subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for learning with us. Thank you so much for joining me at our lives every Saturday. But in the meantime, today is all about the giveaway, guys. It's all happening. The date is getting announced. Oh, very exciting. And the question is getting announced. So guess what, guys? We've been talking about the giveaway a long time. It's finally arrived. It's all happening. However, today is the day that we're going to give the information of all the gifts, all the prizes, I should say. And well, they're gifts as well, I suppose, really. They are gifts to thank you for subscribing and doing all that you do for our channel here at Well Crochet. So we'll be talking about the prizes, we'll be talking about the actual question, and I will be revealing the date of the giveaway. Yay! Okay, guys, so that's it. We are here. The giveaway is here, but you have to answer the question. But before we do the question, I'm going to show you the prizes for the giveaway. You have first, second, and third, and here is first. Whatever will be, will be. This is first prize, guys. No, not just a bag, but this is the bag that I showed you on the live on Saturday. It is actually this bag here all wrapped up. The other one was mine. So anyway, here we go, guys. Oh, I do apologize. There's price tags on some of the items, guys. You've got stitch markers. You've got, oh my gosh, you've got so many little odds and ends here at the moment. They're the bobbins that we use for our Graphgans. I quiver as I say Graphgan. You've got tags. I just tossed in something girly just for fun. I have put in 2 Caron cakes in my favourite colour. And I have also popped in a cotton latte from Bendigo 10 ply. With one of these, you can make the vest that I was actually wearing on Saturday's live yesterday. Yay! And also in our stash we have 3 Abbey Roads. Very nice. I think the colors are gorgeous. Okay, and I have put in the Lincraft Baby 8 ply merino. These are the actual yarns. I think there's 6 there. Yes, there's 6. These are the actual yarns we are using to make our current blanket, which is coming up very, very soon. Probably looking at 2 days before I start uploading. Yay! And also I'm giving away one of my very favorite colors of the patterns or patterns, however you want to pronounce it. These are the color range that they have. This is quite thin yarn, very, very thin yarn, used for gorgeous shawls. And I've already made a shawl in this particular colorway. And it's beautiful, just reminds me of the ocean. Oh, it's so beautiful. And also I mentioned these on our live on Saturday as well. Guys, this is your first prize along with this gorgeous bag. I've decided to toss in something, you know, lovely for us, for our skin, just for fun. Occasionally I pop in some items like that. Okay, so today this is your first prize, guys. You've got to be in it to win it. Don't forget to answer the question properly and good luck. Oh, pretty cool, huh? First prize, huge, huge, huge. I love, love, love. I love, love, love giving so much away. Not always. Sometimes. And here is second prize. Alrighty, guys, here is our second prize. Yay! Some novelty buttons, and I've got this little thing that says, "Give a quilter an inch and she'll think she's a ruler." And you've got your 6 skeins of the Starlight yarn, which I advertised on Saturday's live. And if you look carefully, that yarn is really quite sparkly. Can you see the sparkles? I've actually used it before on one of our tutorials. It's fairly thin, so it's very good for a cowl, scarf, shawl, that kind of gear. And you have, of course, your 2 Caron cakes that I advertised also on Saturday. And I've decided, just for fun, to toss in this gorgeous Bendigo Woolen Mills luxury range. Now that is a range I use practically all the time when it comes to pure wool, and this is one of my colours that I like so much. It is a peppermint sorbet. I actually like quite a large range of the Bendigo Woolen Mills. Okay, so guys, this is the second prize. Don't forget to answer the question correctly, and good luck. Ta-da! That was the second prize. Not bad at all. And here is third prize. All right, guys, and here is third prize, another handful of your novelty buttons. And I've actually popped in this 10-ply cotton in parchment, which is kind of like a cream. And with this 10-ply, if you notice the top I was wearing on Saturday's live, Saturday that just passed, this is a little vest. That whole skein made that vest. Okay, I did have to make the vest a little shorter because I was running out of cotton, but this made the whole vest. So there you go. And don't forget your Caron cakes. Remember the Caron cakes? One of them makes a whole cowl that we have made here on Wow Crochet. If you check out the links below, I will have all the details to that cowl. The vest I don't have online yet, but we may be doing it in the near future. So guys, this is third prize. Don't forget to answer the question correctly, and good luck. Yay. So there you go, guys. 3 prizes already almost packed. I won't say already packed because they're not exactly packed. They will be by next week. Did I say next week? Am I going to reveal the date? Yes. Very, very exciting. Okay, the date for our giveaway is, drumroll please, 16th of February at 10 a.m. It will be a Sunday morning. Melbourne, Australia time, that is. So get ready for it, guys. 16th of February, 10 a.m. I will be drawing the prize. However, you need to answer a question. If you don't answer the question correctly, you can't get into the prize draw at all. Sorry, guys. But I have to make it a little bit tough. I can't make it too easy, can I? The bonus is, because there's 3 prizes, 3 people will actually get one thing. Okay, not one thing, but the pack of that one thing. So you can't go wrong. 3 people out of all of you people are going to win it. But the question is, where is your most favorite place to crochet? Now you need to answer that question. You need to answer the question to enter the competition giveaway. Okay, and the question was, where is your most favorite place to crochet? Mine is, shh, don't tell anybody, it's a secret. It's a little tiny corner in my house. There's a red couch, and I have a doona on the couch. A doona is like a blanket, for those of you who don't know. It's not a crochet blanket, it's because I can't wear wool, sadly. Mind you, I should crochet a nice cotton blanket for myself. It's probably a good idea, really. And mine is on a red couch, one of those ones that, you know, the armchair pulls back. I hear it click every time. I'm waiting for it to just buckle and break because it's fairly old. So a little bit of trivia there. And so that's where I like to crochet, under a blanket when it's cold. Not right now because it's like 100 gazillion degrees again. So that's my favorite place. Where is your favorite place to crochet? Please leave the answer to that question in your comment section down below on this vlog. Oh, it's all happening today. I love unusual places to crochet, and you're going to hear about that in the future. And I want to know where your favorite place is, and I will pop all your names in a barrel for those of you who've answered the names correctly. And well, I keep saying barrel. I don't own a barrel. I'll pop them in a tub or something. And I said barrel in our live last week as well. Yesterday, not last week. So I will pop all your names in there, toss them all over, make a big mess, pull out one name, and that'll be third prize. Pull out another name, that'll be second. Pull out another name, that'll be the first, and not necessarily in that order. So there you go. That will happen. The name pulling out will happen next Sunday on the, what I say, the 16th? I always forgot. 16th of February at 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time. So you've got to be in it to win it, guys, but you need to leave your answer in the comment section down below of this vlog. Now with this particular vlog, it'll be open all week until, and I have to do this because I won't be able to get them all ready in time, until Sunday morning, 9 o'clock. Oh my gosh, until 16th, 9 o'clock. So you've got an hour before I do the giveaway to answer the question. You could be the first person to answer it, or you could be the last person to answer it. It doesn't matter. It all goes into a tub. It'll be tossed about and I will pull out those names. But after 9 o'clock on that Sunday morning, the 16th of February, if I keep getting that date right, if I remember the date, I will not be taking any more answers. So you need to get in before this Sunday coming, 16th of Feb at 9 a.m. 16th of Feb at 10 a.m. I will be drawing our giveaway, and I'm not going to talk anymore because you've seen the prizes, you know the date, you know the question. If you've forgotten the question was, where is your favorite place to crochet? Go ahead and answer your question now in the comment section down below. You've got a whole week to do it. I will see you on the 16th of February, Sunday at 10 o'clock to draw our prize. And guess what, guys? Ciao for now.